welcome back to the Global Channel. I hope you all are good. So let's start with today's topic, that is arid landforms. But before that, let's do a quick revision that what we have covered in our last lecture. Okay. So in last lectures, we have done fluvial landforms. Fluvial landforms. The landforms made by or which are the result of running water known as fluvial landforms. In this we have covered the source of a river and the stages of the river. This is the young or known as youth stage. This is mature stage or known as middle stage, and this is old stage known as senile stage. So this is the source of a river from where the river originates or comes, and this is known as youth stage. This is known as middle stage, and this is known as old stage. It is also known as senile stage, and this is also known as mature stage, and this is also known as young stage. In young stage, in its youth stage, it has very high energy. So high energy, big boulders we can see here, fast speed, elevation is too much, right? After that we can see some landforms. We can see, for example, rapids here, U-shape, V-shape, I-shaped valleys, gorges, then we can see canyons. And here the slope is not as sharp as in youth stage. So here we can see oxbow lakes. Here we can see a little bit of deposition जिसके कारण oxbow lakes form होती हैं. In this stage there is no deposition, there is erosion. In senile stage, we can see that the slope is very gentle, and this region is known as mouth of the river. Mouth of the river. And here 120% deposition we can see. And formation of deltas. We have also covered the biggest delta of the world is known as Sundarban Delta, which is in West Bengal. West Bengal in India and Bangladesh. Here we can also see some mangroves that we will cover in later lectures. These are kind of a trees which are very beneficial for our biodiversity. So these are the things which we have covered in our last lecture. So now let's jump on to our today's lecture. So today we'll start with arid landforms. So what are arid landforms? Arid landforms are the landforms made up of deposition, erosional features by wind action. विंड के कारण जो फॉर्मेशन होती है, लैंड फॉर्मेशन होती है, दैट इज नोन एज एरिड लैंडफॉर्म्स, एंड दीज कैन बी सीन इन डेजर्ट्स. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. Arid landforms made up of wind action. We know that wind blows from high pressure to low pressure area. For example, I'll explain this. High pressure region and low pressure region. What happens here? We have too much of particles. This is a space. And इस region में we have too much of particles. What will happen? These particles will see that this region is highly dense. We need to move to a region जहाँ पे pressure is low, जहाँ पे we can see कि बहुत ज़्यादा जगह है where we can feel comfortability. तो हम यहाँ से यहाँ run करेंगे and we will come to this region so that हमें भी सांस आए. For example, in a metro, ये एक मेट्रो का बॉक्स है इन विच बहुत ज्यादा रश है एंड हियर यू कैन सी दूसरे मेट्रो के बॉक्स में कम लोग हैं, तो यहाँ से लोग विल शिफ्ट टू दिस बॉक्स. सो सेम एज कि इस बॉक्स से या इस एरिया से पार्टिकल्स विल शिफ्ट टू दिस एरिया. सो दिस इज नोन एज high pressure to low pressure, that winds blow from high pressure to a low pressure. So in deserts also same phenomena. So let's see. We have deserts. So what are deserts? Deserts वो जगह है where rainfall is less than 25 centimeters. Desert where rainfall is less than 25 centimeters. This is known as a desert area. For example, we have stony deserts. Then we have rocky deserts. Next we have sandy deserts. Next we have badlands. So these are different type of deserts, and another is mountain deserts. Now let's see what are the differences between these four deserts. Okay, so stony deserts are famous in Australia, whereas rocky deserts are also known as hamadas. These are known as hamadas. Sandy deserts, for example, Thar Desert. Thar Desert, then deserts in Saudi Arabia. So these all are sandy deserts. Next, badlands are not deserts, but they look like deserts. For example, Central Highlands. These are part of Peninsular Plateau. Peninsular Plateau. Okay, for example, Bagelkhand, Bundelkhand. So these are the examples of badlands. Next we have mountain deserts. Mountain deserts are जिन mountains where we can see there is no vegetation. For example, we can see mountains in Ladakh. That is example of a cold mountain, cold desert. So these are different types of deserts. Now let's see in deserts where we have how many types of landforms. तो जो इन डेजर्ट्स में जो लैंडफॉर्म्स बनती हैं, these are known as erosional landforms. Some are known as depositional landforms. For example, sand dunes. Let's see erosional landforms. Okay. For example, the first and the very most is an example of mushroom rocks. How mushroom rocks forms? This is a base and this is a rock. It is divided into two. This portion is known as hard rocks. This portion comprises of hard rocks and this portion is made up of soft rocks. So what will happen now? Wind will start blow from here and will lift some sand particles. जब विंड यहाँ से चलने स्टार्ट होगी, थोड़े से सैंड पार्टिकल्स को कैरी करेगी, दैट प्रोसेस विल बी नोन एज डिफ्लेशन. So what does this deflation means? Lifting of sand particles. Lifting of sand particles by wind. तो जब ये हमारे पास यहाँ से ऐसे लिफ्ट होगा, and when it will move, it will blow towards this landform, तो ये सॉफ्ट रॉक पे आके हिट करेगा. So जब ये सॉफ्ट रॉक पे आके हिट करेगा, तो यहाँ पे ये इसको इरोड करेगा ऐसे ऐसे. बिकॉज हार्ड रॉक पे वी कैन नॉट सी एनी काइंड ऑफ इम्पैक्ट बिकॉज इनका टेक्सचर बहुत हार्ड है, तो विंड कैन नॉट इरोड देम. तो ये यहाँ से हमारे पास ऐसे ऐसे इसको इरोड करता जाएगा. तो एट वन मोमेंट ये जो लैंडफॉर्म होगा, इट विल लुक समथिंग लाइक दिस. It will take the shape of a mushroom. So this is known as mushroom rocks. So this is how mushroom rocks are formed. With the help of wind, when wind carries or lift the sand particles and blow towards these rocks, and erode the soft portion of the entire rock, so we can see the formation of mushroom rocks. Next we can see is, you can take the screenshot. Next we can see yardams or yardams. Let's see what are those. Okay. This is yardams. Okay. So here let's make a rock. Let's draw it. ऐसे draw किया. This is a rock. Right? Essay. It's like this. So what will happen? This is the hard part. Here we can see hard rocks. Similarly, we can see hard rocks here. Next, these two portions are made up of soft rocks. Soft rocks. This is also soft rocks. Same here, this is soft rock and this is made up of soft rocks. Another we can see this portion is entirely made up of hard rocks. So what will happen now when wind will blow? So it will hit to the soft rock region and it will erode this entire region. So what we can see like this. So this is the hard rock region, this is also the hard rock region and this is the soft rock region जो हमारे पास erode हो चुका है. Right? This is entirely the hard portion. So these are known as yardams which we can see in deserts. For example, yardams are known as vertical portion or vertical patches of hard and soft rocks. Of hard and soft rocks. Similarly, we can see zooxanes. What are zooxanes? Zooxanes are horizontal portion of hard and soft rocks, or we can say horizontal strata of hard and soft rocks. So let's see. Zooxanes. Little tricky names, but you need to learn these. Zooxane. So in this we can see like this. Horizontal stratas. So this is like this. This is, for example, hard rock. And this little portion is made up of soft rocks. Okay. Next we can see hard rocks here. Okay. Hard rocks. Hard rocks. So we can divide it. Hard rocks, soft rocks, right? Hard rocks, and this is soft rocks. This is soft rock as well. So यहाँ पे क्या होगा, जब wind blow करेगी, for example ऐसे blow किया, तो ये soft rock वाले portion को erode कर देगी, and we can see that this region, this region has eroded. ये वाला हमारे पास region बचा है, that is hard rock. ये वाला region बचा है. For example, this region is of soft rocks. तो कुछ time में what will happen कि जो हमारे पास wind होगी वो इसको भी erode कर देगी. And this horizontal strata are patches. Yeah, horizontal strata, or we can say horizontal patches of soft and hard rocks. Horizontal patches. Yeah, horizontal strata means layers of soft and hard and soft rocks. Is known as Zeusenge. Or Zeugen, whatever you want to pronounce it, you can say it. So this is all for today, that erosional landforms, what are these which are made up of the wind action. Arid landforms कौन से होते हैं जो wind action के through बनते हैं, जहाँ से lifting होती है, transportation होती है, then deposition होती है. For example, sand dunes we can see in our deserts. Next we have done Zeusens. These are known as horizontal patches of soft and hard rocks. Wind action के through जो ये horizontal patches में हमारे पास landforms बनती हैं. Next we have done yadangs, which are known to be vertical patterns. जो वर्टिकल पैटर्न में हमारे पास लैंडफॉर्म्स बनती हैं, we can see in Central Asian deserts, right? Next we have done deserts. Deserts are जहाँ पे हमारे पास rainfall is less than 25 centimeters. For example, we can see some cold deserts like Ladakh desert. Then we have seen some deserts known as Hamadas, then rocky deserts, sandy deserts, then mountain deserts, and also badlands. Before this, we have also covered that what we have done in our last lecture, that is fluvial landforms. So I hope कि आपको वो भी अच्छी तरह से समझ आ गया that what is the source and what is the mouth. Mouth पे mostly deltas बनते हैं. For example, Sundarban delta, जो half delta it's in West Bengal and half delta it's in Bangladesh. Right, so this is all for today. So stay tuned for the next topic or for the next lecture. Till the time, do share, subscribe and like to the global channel. Thank you very much.